This week we have Shiva Asar Tammuz, the fast of Shiva Asar Tammuz. According to Chazal, this day the enemies, the Romans, succeeded to enter Jerusalem. And since Shiva Asar Tammuz until Tisha B'Av, there were 3 weeks. That 3 weeks, every day it was a big war inside Jerusalem, and every day they succeeded to kill thousands of Jewish people. Until Tisha B'Av, they burned the Bet HaMikdash. We have to learn from the history. Chazal said that the second Holy Temple, second Bet HaMikdash, was destroyed because of Sinat Hinam, hatred for nothing. It means people hated each other, even they didn't do anything wrong to each other. Just they hated each other. We can see an example for that from our time. We can see in Eretz Yisrael, people hate each other very much. Now we are going to election, so everyone wants to take more votes, so speak very, very bad against each other. And they think, Kol HaMarbe Harei Ze Meshubach, to talk more and more anti-religious, anti-this and that, very bad. So we have to learn from the history what happened to us when we hated each other. At the time of the destruction of Bet HaMikdash, before, who brought the Romans to Eretz Yisrael? The Jewish people, 2 brothers, each one wanted to be a king. So one of them invited the Romans, and they came, and they didn't want to leave after. So now our mission is to cause people to love each other. First thing, and the most important thing, is to make not religious people to know something about Judaism, to know what is Shabbat, what is Tefillin, what is the candles of Shabbat, to know what is the meaning to fulfill mitzvot. They don't know anything about us. If they know, for sure it can change the situation. It's here in Eretz Yisrael, it's around the world. Many Jewish people, they don't know anything about Judaism. And we have to make them to know, to be familiar to some mitzvot. And when they know that, when they will understand that, Be'ezrat Hashem, they will come back to Judaism, and we will be one nation together, one unit, and we will win all of our enemies. Amen. Ken Yeh Ratzon.